Hello friends, today we are going to discuss syllogism. This is a very important topic for banking exam as it covers 5 marks in reasoning. So let's start. So what is syllogism? In syllogisms, some statements are given and by assuming that all statements are true, you have to decide whether the conclusions follows or not. Okay. In syllogisms, there are three types of statements, all, some and no. And there are three types of cases, simple case, either or case and possibility case. Let's start with statements. If in exam all A or B statement is given, then what is the possible representation of all A or B? Here we are using Venn diagram. Okay. So the representation of all A or B is this. And another representation is this. In this case, all A overlapping P. From this statement, the definite conclusion which is true is some B are A and some A are B. These two conclusions are definitely true if all A or B is given. Let's see an example. Statement, all monkeys are tree. Let's draw the diagram. All monkeys are tree. All tree are fruits. All tree are fruits. Now conclusion. All fruits are tree. All fruits are tree. All monkeys are fruits. All monkey are fruits. Okay, now all fruits are tree. The representation of this is this. Here we are getting all tree are fruits and what we want, all fruit are tree, which is opposite. So this conclusion is doesn't follow. All monkey are fruits. Representation, all monkey are fruits. Here we are get all monkey are fruits. So this is correct. Now see the second representation, this. All monkey are tree. All monkey are tree. All tree are fruit. All tree are fruit. All fruits are tree. All fruits are tree. All monkey are fruit. All monkey are fruit. Okay. Now, all fruits are tree. From this, we can say yes, it follows. But from this, it doesn't follow. So, we can't say definitely it follows. Because here it follows and here it doesn't. So, definitely we can't say that this is true. So, we mark as it doesn't follow. All monkey are fruits. All monkey are fruits. From this, we can say yes. And from this, we can also say yes because all monkey and this is also the part of fruits which is overlapping because the whole circle covering fruits. So this part is also fruit. So here we can say yes, all monkey are fruits. So from both the conclusions we can say follows. So this is true. Now in exam, before marking the answer, please check all the possible cases, all the possible representation. Because if you have three possible representation and you consider two, and the third one has something different, then your answer should be wrong. So consider all the possible representations. Now see the case sum A or B. Possible representation of sum A or B is, this is the first, this is second. These are the three possible representation of sum A, R and B. Now the definite conclusion always true are. Only this, some B or A is always true from some A or B. Let's see an example of some cases. Now remember, these three are the possible representation of some A or B. Some A or B and some B or C. Conclusion, some C or B, some C or A, some A or C. So some C or B. For this we need this type of representation. So yes, we are getting, so this is true. Some C or A, we need this type of relation, but here we can't get. Now there is another representation for this statement. Some A or B and some B or C. We can also draw like this. Okay. From this statement we can say some C or A, yes. But from this we can't say it is true. So when we are not but when we are definitely not say that it is true, so this is wrong, because in one it follows but in second it doesn't follows. And for the answer to mark to be true, it has to follow all the possible representation. If it is not follow any one representation, then it is wrong. So in this it follows, but in this it doesn't follows, so it is not definitely true, so it is wrong. Some ARC, this is the same case. In this it follows, but in this it doesn't follow, so we can't mark it true. Now representation of no A is B. This is the only representation for no A is B. Now the definite conclusion, which are always true. No B is A, some B are not A, some A are not B. These are the case which are always true when no A is B given. Now, if some A or not B is given in question, in statement, then what are the possible representation of this? Second is this. These are the three possible representations for some A or not B. Now, conclusion. From this, no definite conclusion is given. Okay, if this is given, then no A is B, no B is A, some B are not A. These three are wrong. Why? If no A is B is given, then from this diagram it is true, but from this some A are B, so it doesn't follow. From this all B are A, so wrong. No B is A. Same reason, from this it is true, but from this some B are A, and from this no B is and all B are A. So we can't say from this two no B is A. Now some B are not A. From this we can say some B are not A. From this we can say some B are not A. From this we can't say some B are not A, because in this diagram all B are A. So this is also wrong. We can't definitely say that any one is always follows. All these are follows in only one case or two case. And for to follow a statement, the conclusion has to be follow all the possible representation. When a conclusion follow all representation, then it is true. Okay, let's see another example. Some A or B, no B is C. Now conclusion, some A are C, some A are C. So there is no relationship between A and C, and we can also draw another possible diagram for this. In this diagram some ARCs follow, but in this it doesn't follow, so we can't definitely say that it follows. Some C are not B, Some C are not B, some C are, yes, it is definitely true because statement given is no B is C. From this we can say no C is B, some C are not B, and some B are not C. These are the three possible conclusion we can draw from this statement. I hope you are getting. Now important points. Restatement. Suppose if a statement given is some A are B, some B are C, and conclusion given is some A are B, all A are B. Okay, now statement some A are B. So some A are B, some B are C, some B are C. Now some A are B. This is already given in statement. So this is a statement, not a conclusion. So it doesn't follow. It always wrong. It doesn't follow. All A are B. All A are B. It is not possible. Because some A or B is given. From this we can only say some B are A. So this is also wrong. Okay. Now the point is some A or B is given and in conclusion statement is repeated, then it doesn't follow. So I hope you get. Now in every question you have to consider all representation. Okay, but you have to uh, think in your mind. Okay, suppose this question is given some A or B and some B or C, then don't draw other possible representation and waste time. Just imagine in your mind so that you save time, and if you solve more and more question, you can imagine in your mind all the possible representation. For this you have to practice many questions. Okay, now at the end of the session we are also going to discuss 26 questions which are very important, and after that you can be imagine in your mind all the possible representation. Okay, now if only A or B is given, so the representation of only A or B is like this. It is nothing but all B are A. Okay, if only A or B is given, then it is also we can write as all B are A. Now either or case. This case we can discuss in another session. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for watching more. Thanks.